Now let's do the lipstick.
Lipstick. All right. What are you gonna do?
Which color I'm gonna start with?
Mm-hmm.
This color. This one. Just like one. Don't peek.
Don't peek. Well, hi, brother. I'm having fun. What? Why did you have kids if I can't have fun with them? Right? My brother's gonna kill me. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, and I have a special guest today. She is my... What are you for me? What are you my assistant?
No, I don't know.
She's my assistant for the day. I need to do my makeup. To be completely honest, I'm only doing my makeup because I'm filming a sponsorship. It's like 8 o'clock. What time is it? It's 7:22. And I need to do my makeup to wrap up a video for a brand. It's actually about this hair. Anyway, so I just want to get my hair done as we chat it up. She loves makeup. I love makeup. It's kind of like a match in heaven. So let's get this started. What are you going to do today?
Put this thing first.
You're going to use eyeshadow first.
Mm-hmm. So
you don't want to prime your skin or nothing?
What's prime?
What's prime? It's when you get your skin ready for makeup.
Yeah, I want that.
You want to prime? Mm-hmm. Primer that we're using today is Makeup Forever Hydra Booster. Here, I'll put a little bit on your finger. Oh, that's a lot. So it's expensive, but you gotta like put it everywhere.
I'm gonna.
Girl. Oh my god, right here you missed the whole spot. No, I didn't put too much. I put just enough.
Now, how do you put this?
What? Which one do you want to put on?
I'm putting the eyeshadow first.
Eyeshadow first, okay. I am going to be doing a very simple 20 minutes soft beat. Okay. I have this Makeup Forever foundation that I just haven't used. I have it for a while. It said it's expired 12 months. I'm pretty sure I got it last year. So I got to make up for lost time. I'm gonna use it. Hopefully it's the right color. I don't even remember. I kind of remember it not being the right color actually. What do we got going on over here? You gotta look up. Look up at the camera. Yes. Are you going for a soft beat too? I have a question for you, Lodi. Lodi. What's your name? Actually, tell Rosie. What is your name? Answer that question.
It's Rosie.
Your name is Rosie?
Yeah.
And how old are you?
5.
You're 5. What's your favorite thing to do?
Put makeup.
Makeup is your favorite thing to do?
Mm-hmm.
So you're having fun right now?
My makeup before I did away. So, and yours.
Are you going for a soft beat right now?
What does that mean?
You don't know what that means?
No.
You don't know what's a soft beat? How do you explain a soft beat to a 5-year-old? It's when you put a natural makeup on. So maybe this you're going for soft glam?
Mm-hmm.
Meanwhile, I gotta fix my makeup because I look like I don't know what I'm doing. We're gonna go in with NARS. NARS is a foundation that honestly always saves the day. I love this foundation.
This?
What do you have going on with your lips right now? Do you want to tell us the inspiration behind the look? No, I just want to know why you chose the colors.
Because I wanted to.
Are you okay if I ask you a few questions?
Yeah.
What's your favorite food?
Macaroni.
Macaroni?
Mm-hmm.
Any kind of macaroni?
I like the no onions one.
No onions.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What have you done?
What did I do? Mm-hmm. I'm doing my makeup, girl.
Why did you do this?
You don't like it?
I don't like it like that.
You don't like it like that?
I like it when this part is gone because it's kind of getting ruined.
Who asked you?
This brush is too big and we have makeup.
What's your favorite subject in school?
Toys.
Toys? That's not the subject in school.
What's the subject?
What do you do in school?
I sometimes do questions.
Okay, that's nice.
Look, this is cute.
This is cute. What do you want to be when you grow up?
A firefighter.
You want to be a firefighter? Mm-hmm. Okay, I didn't know that. Are you blending it, girl?
Yeah.
You're still adding more products. You should blend without adding more. What do you think?
Yeah. This is the last pump.
Is the last pump? Okay. And then you're gonna blend?
Blend means like this?
Yeah, blend means actually turn this around like that. So use that part and then just dab it everywhere so that it looks soft, you know? You don't want to have a harsh line like that. You just want it to be...
Do I do it on this one?
Yeah, do it everywhere. Especially through... Yes, right there. You really need it there. Oh, nice blending. You see now it's a little softer.
Now do it still in this one?
Yeah. You need a lot of blending.
I want a different color of this.
Do you want a different color? So you're going to change your blush color?
But I'm going to keep this one going.
Can I ask you another question?
You're allowed to. And I'm going to see the color of this one.
So I asked my friends on Instagram, okay?
Okay.
To ask me questions so that you can answer.
Ooh,
And someone wants to know if you like me better or if you like Stan better.
I like you better.
You like me better? I mean, I just like to say, I'm a cool aunt.
I'm doing the small one. It's very cute to blend.
It's very similar to a lipstick.
This?
No, what you had.
This?
Yeah. You don't want to use it?
I want to use it. I don't like the black one on my lip. It's kind of getting...
You don't like it's not black. It's a deep violet.
I don't... The deep violet is kind of getting messing up my lip.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
All of the ones that's like this are lip gloss.
Yeah, with when they have this, it's like lip gloss. When it's like this, it's lipstick because it's a stick. Get it?
I'm gonna do the bottom.
This is a really nice color.
I'm gonna do it on the bottom of this one.
Okay. But you have to remember to stay between the lines, okay? What's your favorite TV show?
It's just so like a movie. It's not a movie. I like Hello Kitty though. It's very cute.
Which one?
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Now, what's the one that you got in your hand?
That's the contour. You said you didn't want it.
Where is it?
Right here.
I'm gonna see what's a pen. Might you have a pen?
I don't know. Please forgive me.
I can't see on the mirror. There you go. When you're done with that, I'll just look. Okay?
Wait. You have to remember the rule. What do we do?
Put it on.
No, but you have to put it back inside before you put the cap.
Okay. So I'm gonna do that one after.
Okay, here. Do your brows.
And then I can do this.
Yeah. But for your brows, you have to use like small. Look, you have to look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. See how I use small little stroke like this? That's what you have to do. Don't draw it on. You have to go easy, okay?
Okay.
And just trace what you already have.
I want you to do that for me.
You want me to do your brows for you? Okay, here. I'm gonna give you an Instagram brow, girl. Look, what do you think? That's only one.
Oh.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, let me do the other one.
It looks like you're putting more eyebrows.
No. This one's a little funny.
Yeah.
Let me put more.
Now, what's like the thing that I like coloring my cheeks? Like doing, like...
I think you have enough blush on, girl.
What is this?
That's for your eyes. Oh, yeah, that's for the coloring in, like, eyeliner.
It does. Three. And then with the... Here, it's going to be like this. It looks like a brow.
It's very interesting, the direction you've taken there.
Do you know how to wipe this off?
You can't wipe it off. At least not yet, not now. You have to wash your face.
I want to wash here.
You want to wash there? You did the mustache?
No, it's not mustache. I wiped it off already.
Girl, what are you doing?
I made eyebrows here.
But I thought all the practice that we had. Don't you remember our sessions, our lessons?
I'll just try this. I like doing this thing. It's cute. Try this.
You want me to try the eyeliner?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What is this?
It's called mascara.
I'll just wear mascara.
You like my eyes?
Mm-hmm.
How you do mascara? This is perfect question because I'm at the right step.
My eyes not keep peeking.
Doesn't she look so pretty?
Don't look. No. Don't look.
She says, do not look.
Don't look. I'm not ready.
She's not ready.
Take too long.
Please close the door. Tell them.
Close the door, please. That's how I do it.
Yeah, mascara is for your lashes. You go like this and you put it on your lashes. We have to be very careful not to get it in your eyes.
Padding, padding, padding.
My hair turned out so pretty today.
Just try this one.
Do you like my hair?
Just try this.
Do you like my hair?
Yeah. Can I try this?
Yes, go ahead.
Does it for
No, not on top of no. Girl, okay. Can I help you a little bit? Do you need help?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to make it? What do you want to make it? Let's get a nice before shot. Let's fix you up. Turn around. Let's see. How are we going to fix you? First of all, I wish I had makeup wipes. We're gonna get rid of your lips, okay? I don't want you to see what I'm doing. It's gonna be a surprise, okay?
Okay.
Do you want to keep your blush?
Yeah, I want to keep it.
Okay. And your eyeshadow? Can I?
Yeah.
Can I fix that one for you a little bit though?
I don't want you to fix it.
You don't want me to fix it? No, don't look!
Okay. I said don't wipe off my blush.
No, I'm not wiping off your blush.
Will I keep looking this way?
Yeah, keep looking this way. That tickle? Now it's your favorite part.
Yay, blush.
Okay, now you can turn around.
That's cute.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Say hooray!
Hooray.
Okay. Now, I want you to look at it up close. What do you think?
That's cute.
Okay, I have one more thing that I want to do. I just realized I forgot.
What is that?
Highlighting.
Landing.
Look at me.
For a nose?
Yeah, for our nose. And also for here. And here. Highlighting makes you glow. And you want to glow, right? There it is. Ooh, don't you look cute? Oh my god, girl! You like it? I like it too.
Can we show our mom?
You want to show your mom? Okay, wait, you have to pose. Come. Ugh!
I want to see on your legs.
You have to pose for a picture. Hey, we didn't even finish the outro. We have to say goodbye to everyone.
Goodbye.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Thank you for watching. I hope that you like her makeup look. What are we going to call this look?
Cute.
We're going to call it cute? We both look cute, right? Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I know this video is kind of random because I usually do like hair videos, but you know. Alright, bye.
Bye.